Hey guys, so customer comes in and they got this bike for free. They don't know what the combo is, and it's a pretty fatty lock. It's a bell, so we're just gonna have to cut it off. So it looks like looks kind of fat, but then you like look into it, it's just like all rubber, man. There's nothing in there. It's like super thin. So it's a bell, which is like, at least here in USA, this is considered like grocery store-ish, pretty low, not even a bike store quality. So like maybe like Decathlon or lower than Decathlon quality. So I got some of these Harbor Freight, which is a super cheap tool brand. But let's just see like how these pliers are like $6, $10 maybe. Let's see how I can cut it with one hand here. Oh shit, it's not that easy. Okay, not that easy. Okay, shit. Okay. Okay, that's good. I can't do it with one hand, so let's fucking hold on here. Let's see if I can get it. Two hands. Oh. Oh. Jesus. Whew, I got it. All right, I got it with two hands. It's pretty, that was hard, but I mean, these are like friggin', I probably destroyed these. I probably just destroyed these cutters. Oh well, they're like $6 new. But yeah, if I had really fancy ones, like some bougie cutters, I probably could have cut that way faster, way easier with one hand even. So, hey, I mean, it'll stop like the common thief, you know. I mean, that's all you're really trying to do here. And just a heads up, sometimes these locks, dude, they look fatty, gordies, but there's not much going on in there, man. I'm thinking that like yellow shit might even be like some sort of Kevlar, maybe, providing even a little extra resistance. I don't know. I mean, it was kind of hard to cut that first part. I mean, it was something. Anyways, I hate to like throw this away for the environment, but I mean, yeah, we got a business to run here. We can't just spend all day on the internet like looking for ways to hack this open. So, yeah. All right, guys. Until next time.